Annyeong! Leslie the American Copycat again for video number 3 from Winter. We're going to watch Sentimental. So I started out with Baby Baby, which was great. It was a little bit slower, but it had some really good energy going on. And then I went to I'm Young, and I did not expect that at all. Winter totally made me cry. It was emotional. It was sad. It was beautiful. Absolutely loved it, but very emotional. So now we're going to move on to Sentimental, and I'm assuming that it's going to have a little bit more energy than the other two, but let's find out. Oh, I like the camera panning down like that. Very cool. Oh, don't fall off. That bed is really high. This is nice. Yeah, I like this a lot. I love this camera angle from the top. Like the roof's just like, there's no roof, it's just like been cut off. We're just seeing from, it's very cool. Oh, love there. Yeah, I am loving this. Shot. Aww. I love the energy in this. It's just, I don't know, it's nice. There is just so much going on everywhere. Like, each room has so much going on. He's so happy down there on his bike. There's just so much going on everywhere. Because everyone just likes taking a bath and a shower with their clothes on. It just makes you want to dance with them. It's so great. Okay, I love that one. I love that YG released these 3 songs today, and they're all so different. So we got something completely different from each video. And this one, Sentimental, is definitely the most fun. There was so much going on in the video, so much energy, and it was just nice. I really enjoyed listening to it. I enjoyed watching them. You know, their outfits, everything going on in the rooms, the camera at the top, like there's no roof, looking down on it. It just added something really cool to the video. So because there was so much in that video today, we're going to do 10 I Spies. So we're going to count down from 10, and we're going to do it really quick, so you might have to go rewatch the video to find everything. But ready, set, go! Number 1, giant teddy bear hiding in the closet. Number 2, No more bear in the closet. Now it's a couple making out in the closet. Not sure what's going on there, but you see Mino. Number 3, standing at the door listening in. Number 4, bear's back in Mino's closet. Number 5, they've now moved into the bathroom stall. Number 6, all that food. Woo. Number 7, still in the bathroom stall, only now we add a peeper. Number 8, now we're just dancing in the stalls. How cute are they? Number 9, is that a phone in the toilet? And possibly my personal favorite, number 10, the deer head on the wall in the kitchen. That's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this reaction video. And go check out more of Winter and go check us out on all of our social medias. Thanks.